Merging ways to make money in 2025. Introduction. The landscape of earning a living in 2025 looks very different from what schools traditionally prepared us for. Thanks to technology and global connectivity, people are generating income through unconventional means that barely existed a decade ago. From social media stardom to blockchain ventures, new opportunities abound outside the old 9-to-5 career path. This overview highlights the most notable emerging and untaught ways people are making money in 2025 with examples, comparisons, and key trends. Digital entrepreneurship, the influencer and creator economy. The creator economy has exploded, allowing individuals to monetize their online presence across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitch, OnlyFans, and Substack. Income sources include advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise, subscriptions, and freelance services tied to a creator's brand. Short-form video dominates, with TikTok and Instagram Reels driving the bulk of influencer earnings. Mega creators like MrBeast generate tens of millions annually, while micro-influencers with a few thousand followers can make steady income through affiliate links or Patreon. Key takeaway: creators treat their personal brand as a business, often repurposing content across platforms to maximize reach. While the top 1% earn superstar incomes, millions more earn meaningful side income through consistent creativity and audience engagement. Monetizing AI tools and GPT-based services. AI has unlocked entirely new earning opportunities. AI-powered SaaS products. Entrepreneurs build apps and services powered by AI, charging subscription or usage fees. Prompt engineering and consulting. Specialists craft optimized prompts and workflows for companies, commanding high salaries or project fees. Freelancing with AI. Writers, marketers, and developers use AI to scale their output, offering AI-enhanced services on freelance platforms. AI marketplaces. Creators sell custom models, prompts, or plugins on specialized platforms. Key takeaway: AI is a goldmine for those who master it. Success requires agility and creativity, as what works today, like prompt engineering, may soon be automated. E-commerce and niche dropshipping strategies. The global e-commerce boom continues, with dropshipping and print-on-demand leading the charge. Niche dropshipping stores. Entrepreneurs build small branded stores around trending or underserved products, often scaling rapidly with social ads. Print-on-demand, VOD. Artists and designers sell custom items like apparel, mugs, or even board games without managing inventory. Amazon FBA and marketplace selling. Sellers leverage Amazon's fulfillment system for scalable product businesses. Social commerce and live selling. TikTok shops, Instagram Live, and other social platforms now double as storefronts. Key takeaway: lean operations, niche targeting, and strong marketing drive success. With online retail projected to keep surging, independent sellers can carve out profitable micro brands. Crypto and Web3 income models. Crypto is no longer just about trading coins. By 2025, new models include DeFi, yield farming, and staking, locking tokens in liquidity pools or staking networks for rewards. NFT creation and trading. Artists, gamers, and collectors monetize digital assets and royalties. DAO contributions. Community-run projects pay contributors in tokens. Airdrops and play-to-earn models. Early users of Web3 platforms often receive valuable token rewards. Key takeaway: Web3 income ranges from passive staking to active freelancing in DAOs. Opportunities are real but volatile, requiring self-education and risk tolerance. Remote freelance gigs and the global gig economy. Freelancing and remote work have gone mainstream. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with global clients. Top freelancers often earn six figures annually. Specialized platforms: 99 Designs, Voice123, Braintrust cater to niche skills. Remote contracts let professionals work for companies worldwide, fueling digital nomad lifestyles. Skills in demand include development, digital marketing, content creation, design, and AI expertise. Key takeaway: freelancing democratizes access to global work opportunities, but requires reputation building and entrepreneurial skills to thrive. Micro SaaS and no-code app businesses. No-code tools like Bubble, Webflow, and Glide let non-programmers build apps and SaaS products. Micro SaaS, small, niche-focused software businesses run by solo founders or tiny teams, often bringing in $1,000 to $10,000 per month. Automation and microservices, selling specialized workflows, plugins, or extensions as recurring revenue products. Templates and digital assets, selling pre-built no-code templates or design kits for fast adoption. Key takeaway: software entrepreneurship has become accessible to non-technical people. With low costs and recurring subscription models, micro SaaS can become a semi-passive income stream. Online education and course creation. The e-learning market continues to expand rapidly. Self-paced courses. Creators monetize knowledge via platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Kajabi. Cohort-based programs, premium group learning experiences sold directly by experts. Educational content monetization. Teachers and influencers monetize via YouTube, podcasts, or paid communities. Key takeaway: packaging expertise into structured courses is now a proven business model. With the right marketing, independent educators can earn six-figure incomes. Real estate innovations. New models have lowered the barrier to earning from property. Fractional ownership. Platforms let investors buy shares in rental properties for as little as $50 to $100. Airbnb and short-term rentals. Individuals monetize spare rooms, secondary homes, or manage multiple listings as small businesses. Other innovations: co-living spaces, home equity sharing, and real estate crowdfunding. Key takeaway: real estate income is being democratized. allowing everyday people to participate with far less capital than before. Passive income from digital assets and royalties. Digital goods enable creators to earn repeatedly from a single effort. Ebooks, music, stock media templates, and software snippets can sell indefinitely. Print-on-demand designs earn royalties on apparel and merchandise. Domain flipping and website investing provide income streams akin to digital real estate. Affiliate marketing creates semi-passive income via evergreen content and referrals. Key takeaway: digital assets scale infinitely. While competition is fierce, those who treat content and product creation professionally can build reliable streams of passive income. Emerging industries and new opportunities. Virtual real estate and the metaverse. People are buying, selling, and developing virtual land in platforms like Decentraland and The Sandbox. Digital identity and data management. New services help individuals control and even monetize personal data. Climate tech and green jobs, renewable energy, carbon markets, and sustainable agriculture are booming industries with entrepreneurial and professional opportunities. Other frontiers: space tech, bioinformatics, personalized medicine, immersive AR, VR design, and AI ethics auditing. Key takeaway: entirely new industries are opening up career paths that schools don't yet prepare students for. Pioneers often come from self-directed learning and early adoption. Conclusion: by 2025, income opportunities extend far beyond traditional jobs. From influencers to AI solopreneurs, crypto traders to online educators, people are building livelihoods through unconventional tech-driven means. The common threads are creativity, adaptability, and the willingness to learn outside formal systems. The future of work is dynamic, borderless, and opportunity-rich for those ready to ride these waves.